Welcome to the world of trash to treasure woodworking, where creativity meets sustainability and small beginnings grow into meaningful craftsmanship. In this space, we believe that every discarded piece of wood holds hidden potential. What others may see as waste, we see as opportunity, an opportunity to design, to build, and to create something beautiful with our own hands. Whether you are completely new to woodworking or just exploring the idea of starting a small craft business, this journey is about learning step by step and discovering the value of simple materials. In this introduction, we focus on beginner craftsmanship and how small recycled wood projects can become the foundation of both skill development and entrepreneurship. You do not need expensive machines or a large workshop to begin. With basic tools, patience, and imagination, you can transform scrap wood into practical and decorative crafts. This is more than just woodworking. It is about growth, sustainability, creativity, and turning humble materials into something truly valuable. Stay with us all the way to the end of this video, because each step we share will help you build confidence, improve your beginner craftsmanship, and see the true potential in turning trash into treasure through simple woodworking crafts. If you find value in these ideas and feel inspired to start your own small projects, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss practical tips, creative designs, and business insights that can help you grow. Like the video to support sustainable crafting and share it with friends who are interested in woodworking, recycling, or starting a small handmade business. Your support helps this community grow and encourages more creative, eco-friendly craftsmanship for everyone. A trash-to-treasure woodworking business model is especially powerful for beginner craftsmanship because it removes the fear of wasting expensive materials. When you start with reclaimed or discarded wood, mistakes become part of the learning process rather than costly failures. Beginners can experiment freely with cutting, sanding, assembling, and finishing without the pressure of ruining new timber. This freedom builds confidence and encourages creativity, which are essential foundations for developing strong craftsmanship skills. For beginners, working with reclaimed wood teaches adaptability. Unlike factory-cut lumber, scrap wood often comes in irregular shapes, mixed thicknesses, and imperfect surfaces. Learning to measure carefully, adjust designs, and work around cracks or nail holes strengthens problem-solving ability. This hands-on experience improves practical judgment, which is one of the most valuable qualities in craftsmanship. Instead of expecting perfect materials, beginners learn how to create beauty from imperfection. The trash-to-treasure approach also helps beginners understand material characteristics. Reclaimed wood may be harder, aged, weathered, or slightly warped. Handling such materials teaches patience and proper preparation techniques such as sanding, cleaning, filling gaps, and sealing surfaces. These preparation steps are critical in professional woodworking. By practicing them early, beginners build strong technical habits that improve the final product's durability and appearance. Many crafts are particularly suitable for beginner craftsmen within this model. Small organizers, candle holders, coasters, trays, and decorative signs require basic joinery and finishing skills. Because the projects are compact, beginners can complete them quickly and see tangible results. Each finished piece becomes both a learning milestone and a potential product for sale. This combination of skill development and income generation makes the model practical and motivating. Beginner craftsmanship also improves through repetition. Since reclaimed wood is affordable, beginners can produce multiple versions of the same small craft to refine technique. Repeating cuts, joints, and finishing processes enhances precision and consistency. Over time, what begins as simple experimentation turns into refined workmanship. The low-cost nature of recycled materials supports this learning through practice approach. The trash-to-treasure model encourages attention to detail, which is essential for craftsmanship. Because reclaimed wood may have visible imperfections, beginners must carefully sand rough edges, align joints accurately, and apply finishes evenly to achieve a professional look. Small mistakes become noticeable on compact crafts, pushing beginners to improve accuracy. This focus on detail strengthens discipline and quality standards from the beginning. Creativity is another major benefit for beginner craftsmen. Working with limited and irregular materials forces innovative thinking. A short wood piece might become a coaster, while a thicker block could transform into a candle holder. This creative decision-making builds design awareness. Instead of copying standard factory products, beginners learn to design based on available resources, which develops originality and artistic confidence. Marketing and branding also connect naturally with beginner craftsmanship in this model. Customers often appreciate handmade items created by emerging artisans who focus on sustainability. Sharing the story of learning, growth, and transformation from scrap wood to finished craft creates authenticity. This transparency builds trust and emotional connection with buyers, giving beginners a competitive advantage even without advanced equipment. Financially, the model supports gradual growth. Beginners can start with very simple tools and upgrade equipment as sales increase. Since material costs remain low, profits can be reinvested into better tools, workspace improvements, or skill training. This step-by-step development mirrors the growth of craftsmanship itself, steady, practical, and experience-based rather than risky and capital-intensive. In conclusion, beginner craftsmanship and the trash-to-treasure woodworking business model complement each other perfectly. Reclaimed materials reduce financial risk, encourage experimentation, and strengthen technical skills. Small crafts provide manageable learning projects while offering real market opportunities. Through patience, repetition, creativity, and attention to detail, beginners can transform discarded wood into both beautiful products and a solid foundation for long-term woodworking success. Thank you so much for watching this video and being part of this creative journey of turning trash into treasure through beginner woodworking crafts. We truly appreciate the time you spent learning, exploring new ideas, and discovering how simple reclaimed wood can become something beautiful and valuable. If this content inspired you or gave you practical ideas to start your own small projects, please subscribe to the channel for more tips, creative guidance, and step-by-step inspiration. Don't forget to like the video and share it with friends who love woodworking, sustainability, or starting a small craft business. Your support means everything and helps us continue creating helpful and inspiring content for you.